Hello and welcome. Today we are gonna talk how to simplify your Ansible workflow using ChatGPT, the newest technology from OpenAI. OpenAI is a company that is developing artificial intelligence, machine learning, and a lot of interesting algorithms. They are going to create some new workflow based on the data and some trained model. So now let's take a look more closer on this product called ChatGPT. It's the latest evolution of a language model for dialogue. Was created initially to have a proper interaction. As you can see, there are some examples based on the customer service example. So this is very nice and very powerful. And we can apply to the Ansible workflow as well. So now let's have a fun try with ChatGPT. Oh, you might incur in this type of error because ChatGPT is so popular nowadays. So it happened that it's overloaded and you need to wait simply. It happened to me several times to record this video, so be patient. Sooner or later you are going to enter in the website. Thank you OpenAI for this service. When there is enough capacity on the OpenAI service, you get this login page, and when you create your login account, let me enter with mine, you are able actually to enter in the ChatGPT main dashboard. Okay, this is great because you can start a real chat with ChatGPT. This is the ultimate experience because you can type whatever you want and obtain a lot of interesting information. Bear in mind that the training data of ChatGPT are up to date to November 2021, so you can't ask who is the winner of the World Cup 2022. But you can write, for example, create a playbook to restart a server. And in a blink of an eye, you will be impressed that the text starts opening in your wonderful in your screen, and you can see actually what is the ChatGPT thinking about this. Okay, it's starting sharing with us shutdown command and a checklist how to proceed to restart a server. But what if we write create an Ansible playbook to restart a server? You will be surprised that ChatGPT is able actually to create some code that we can test in our laboratory and then be able to use in our test. This code is not meant to be exactly executed right here, right now, but it could be a good base for our test and development. As you can see, this is great because it's actually doing some check, is actually performing some backup, some notification to user, and is basically executing, creating some code based on the checklist that was sharing with us before. Well, this code, to be honest, is not perfect. As you can see, the syntax is from Ansible 2.9. It doesn't include the full collection path. Also is using a lot of a command module that is not on the best practice of Ansible because as you know, the command module is actually executing directly a command, and could be very dangerous. But this could be a nice base for creating your final Ansible playbook. So, it's a good draft. I think that AI will be getting better and better in the future, but don't trust completely the ChatGPT. But thank you, OpenAI. I think this could be very interesting in the following version. Thank you for this very quick session, and I hope you like this quick interaction with ChatGPT. Thank you. Bye.